Real Hippie Chicsters. So I'm super excited to be back. It is now January and it's my first video of the year. I'm super excited because I have 100 subscribers now. It's been on my vision board for a few months now that I wanted to hit 100 subscribers, and I finally did. So with that, I'm going to call out all of you subscribers and ask you to comment down below or on any of my social media any questions you would like to know for me to answer, because I want to do a Q&A video for you for my next upcoming video. But I will tell you a little bit more. This video is going to be my Boxy Charm versus Ipsy unboxing video. I've definitely been out of the loop. I don't think I did November or December, but I wanted to come back with a bang. So we are going to get into my Boxy Charm video. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to talk about Ipsy and Boxy Charm in this video. Ipsy is a $10 a month subscription box, or bag I should say, where you get a little bag with 5 deluxe samples in it. And then Boxy Charm is a $21 box where you get 5 full-size products in it, which every month so far that I've been a part of it has been amazing. So we are going to dish into all of the products that we've got. So we're going to start off with our Ipsy bag. And our Ipsy bag, whoops, dropping things. It is called Game Face, I Will Conquer. And it's this cute little bag. So this month is saying Conquering the New Year's. And I'm really not a fan of the bag. I almost feel like this would have been a good bag for June or July, like for the summer, because it reminds me of like a beachy swimsuit feel. It's not really that cute. I don't know if I'm going to use it that often, but again, a little bag for $10 full of a couple of things of makeup is a great plan. The first thing we got is the Pretty Woman nail polish, and this is in the shade, it doesn't say, but it's a beautiful blue. I was playing around with it the other day and I really like the shade of blue that it is. The next thing we got in here is a Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip scrub, which I'm super in need of a lip scrub, so I'll be using this up. My lips are super dry right now due to the winter and all the lipsticks that I've been wearing, so I need to definitely give my lips a good lip scrub. The next thing we got is the Kajal Vasanti Waterline Eyeliner. And it is, ooh, like a creamy gel. I'm dropping things. A creamy gel pencil. It's not that black. I like my eyeliners to be like really dark black, but it's really nice feeling. Definitely buildable into a darker black. The packaging though is super cheap. Easily broken, but it's one of those twisty ones to get your color back. But yeah, so I don't know, it's kind of cheap, but we'll see what it does. I'll definitely try it out for you guys. I'm gonna just wipe that off on my hands. Sorry. The next thing we have is a Dirty Little Secret eyeshadow in Bikini. And it's very creamy, and it's just like a little copper colored eyeshadow. I actually have a color similar to it on my eyes right now, but it's really pretty. Ooh, very foiled, like a foiled copper shiny. Ooh, creamy, really pretty. Can't wait to try it. And then the next thing and the last thing that we actually got in our bag is a Mary Lou Manizer, aka the Luminizer. The Balm highlight little sample. And I honestly will tell you, these highlight samples and bronzer samples that you get in here, I end up using them like an eyeshadow. Ooh, that's a really pretty highlight. Let's add some of that to my nose and some of that to my face. It's a beautiful highlight, but I can't get my brushes dipped into that, so I end up using these like eyeshadows because it's such a small sample, and for me I think it's like a waste sometimes for them because it's hard to use them, but I do use them like an eyeshadow. So with that, that was Conquer the Year pretty much from Ipsy. I'm going to wipe off, and oh my god, this is a makeup wipe and it's taking forever to scrub that off, but it took a good chance, so let's do this other hand. But yeah, that eyeliner definitely will stay put. until you put some elbow grease into it. We are going to move on to our Boxycharm, which is the best box of my life right now. It is Rock 2018, Rock and Roll Soul, and it tells you what you got and how much it's worth. So we're gonna jump into it. I'm going to let you know I'm using pretty much all of the products from my Boxycharm on my face today, and I'll link that all down below. But we're gonna start with first the Pores No More Luminizer Primer Base. It's supposed to give you like illuminating skin underneath, or you can use it by itself just to give yourself a dewy complexion. I kind of like the formula already. It's not too latexy, like jelly feeling on it, but it's not too lotiony. It's like a really good mix in between it. I like it. It doesn't have a weird smell to it, and I'm definitely going to use this whole thing up. This retails for $38. So again, the box is $21. This already paid for your box right there. The next thing we got is from Pure Cosmetics, and it's the Bronze and Brighten palette, and this runs for $34, and it gives you a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight in it. And I'm going to let you know these are so pigmented that you really need a light hand with them or you'll look like a clown. The pink is very like dark corally pink. The highlight is a beautiful like pearlized highlight, and the bronzer is like a beautiful chocolate brown bronze. But again, when you swatch it, like that's how pigmented they are, and they're super crazy pigmented. Definitely have to use a lighter hand. These would actually make really pretty eyeshadows as well if you're afraid to use them as your face. On your face, as your blush, your highlight, and your bronzer. Sorry, I got distracted. But it would be beautiful, like little areas. I might actually use this to brighten up the insides of my eyes, like for real. Because I forgot to do that on my inner corner today, just to put a little brightening. But it is a beautiful, beautiful color scheme. Definitely really creamy, pigmented, wears really well. I've actually worn this palette for a couple days now because I got my box like Wednesday, but really, really, really good coverage on it. Not coverage, but hold. It wears very well and it's beautiful. The next thing we got in here is our we already did Pure Cosmetics stuff, is our It Cosmetics Brow Power Universal Eyeshadow or Eyebrow Pencil. This retails for $24. I'm reading the card, sorry if I'm not looking at the screen. And apparently it's a pain in the butt to get out of the box. I struggle every time. So it is this beautiful little pencil. You can roll it up. It has that kind of tip. It is a very neutral brown, so it doesn't get dark too much. And it blends really well with my eyebrows. What else I like about it is on the other side it gives you a little spoolie so you can brush through those brows while you're doing your eyebrows. Can't talk today, sorry guys. I'm really in love with a lot of the It products, cosmetics products. I have like Pores No More like powder that's supposed to fill in your pores. I love their concealer. I just love It Cosmetics so much, so I've been getting a lot of these different products from them, and I'm super excited because I love using them. Even though they're expensive and out of my budget sometimes, I will definitely split the bill just to get some of their products. And then the last thing we got is Glam Metal's Crown Pro. It's like an eyeshadow palette. It has a little guitar mirror on it, and then it comes with 9 shades. They're all foiled shades and they're beautiful. I'm wearing those on my eyes as well as I used for my transition color from Jaclyn Hill. But we'll swatch some of these. They're definitely all very creamy. The black happens to be matte, I think, in this palette, but they're all super creamy, very pigmented as well. Definitely need a lighter hand. My only thing about this palette that I don't like is I was using it for the first time today because I have been using my Jaclyn Hill palette a lot more than any of my other palettes. Not even my cat's pajama palette have I been using as much as my Jaclyn Hill. But it has a weird smell to it. It's like hard to explain. It almost smells like a crayon box to me. So like using it and using the mirror is how I found the smell. Using it, it has a weird smell, but once it's on your face, you can't smell it. But I was like using my mirror like this, and I was like getting all up in it to do my eyeliner, and it has like this weird, just a weird, like, yeah, crayon, like an art store crayon smell to it. So that was kind of the only thing that I was like, I don't know how I feel, because it does kind of smell, but it doesn't irritate my eyes at all. So I guess it's okay for now, but I really do like the colors. Tonight I'm going to figure out how long the colors do stay on your eyes. I think I'm going to do a get ready with me video using all of these products and kind of give you more of an insight on them and let you really know my true opinions on them after this. But I am wearing that and I love the color payoff to it and I think it's beautiful. And then, yeah, I keep saying and then. I don't know why. I'm like out of practice talking to you guys. I'm so sorry. I'm going to say so and then and probably through this entire video, and I apologize, but I'm not going to refilm it because this is me. So we're pretty much almost done. We have one more thing in the box, and so just so you know that eyeshadow palette retails for $25. And again, I have so many different palettes out there that I don't know if I would spend $25 on this. I won't lie, but it's a $25 palette. And then the last thing that we got in there is the Girlatik Beauty Matte Lip Paint. And this is in the shade Demur. And it retails for $23. So already, let's see, we have 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 20, 30, like almost $160 or more already in that. I'll put the actual total right here on the screen, but like it's over $21. So think about it. I got $100 and something worth of makeup for $21. So that is the best thing about this box. But back to my lipstick, I really like it. It is the color on my lips today. What I also put a little bit of my Ofra Laguna Beach to like pop it up and lighten the color a little bit on my lips, but it's a beautiful mauve, like dark pink, and it wears beautifully. It feels really comfortable. I will say adding the Laguna Beach Ofra lipstick on, lip paint, did make it a little sticky, but not too much. But even just this alone is a beautiful color. I just didn't really want to go with a very dark lip today. But yeah, it wears comfortably. I will say this is my second time wearing it, so I will let you know how long it really lasts. Like, I haven't really tested it out. I've worn it just for a little bit just to wear it around the house. But I'm going to go see like how it withholds and everything out in public, drinking, eating, you name it. But yeah, that is the color, and I think it is beautiful. And I really like that shade on me. But yeah, that's the end of my box. Again, I think Boxycharm is totally worth the money. Definitely spend that $21. You get 5 full-size makeup products. You get to try so many different brands. I don't know if it was my November box or my December box, but I got the Cover FX setting spray. I'm trying to look over my makeup stuff, what I've gotten. I got another RealHer blush palette. Did I get an eyeshadow palette last month? I don't think so. I'll link down below the different things that I've gotten for the last 2 months, because I think my last Boxycharm unboxing was October, maybe September. I'm gonna say October. But I will definitely let you guys know. If you are interested in this, look in my information box and you will definitely see a couple of my codes and links and affiliations to Ipsy and all of that. So you definitely go check those out. And again, Ipsy is a cute little $10 bag. You get cute bags, and it just gives you a chance to try out different brands of makeup every month, different skincare, all of that. I think, I won't lie to you, I'm going to probably get rid of my Ipsy bag, and I might go back to Sephora Play Their bags are like little drawstring bags, so they're not really useful bags half the time for me. But they give you all Sephora items that you can buy in Sephora in sample and deluxe sizes, so I might go back to that. That's about, I think with taxes it's like $11, but it's a $10 box as well. So I might do that, and I'll go back to doing it. If you check out my playlist of subscription unboxings, you will see a few of my Sephora Play ones as well, so definitely go check those out. So with that, we're going to end the video. Please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what products you got in your Boxycharm or Ipsy this month. Follow me on all my social media. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified to the next video that is up. Subscribe to my channel so you can become a part of the Cheekster family, and remember to live your life with peace and love.